Hey guys, just for a change, instead of driving and talking to you while on the go, thought I'll just pre-cool the car because it's kind of hot. Not too hot though, just around 30 to 33 degrees. But just wanted to change the setting for you guys. You can change the pre-cooling time to 5, 10, 15 and 20 minutes, whichever interval you want. And sometimes it is good on efficiency on the range of the vehicle, because let's say if you have plugged it in and if you want to go in the morning, sometimes it's better to pre-cool the car instead of, let's say, the first 5 minutes of the car is when there is a lot of stress because it cools to the maximum temperature and it wants to get the car to the ambient temperature as early as possible. There is a lot of hit on the range in the first 5 to 10 minutes. So sometimes you can increase the efficiency by, let's say, pre-cooling it while the car is on charge. In this case, the car is not on charge, but it's just okay for 5 minutes, so that's fine. Oh, by the way, in case by the time you watch this, it would be a belated Ugadi or belated Gudi Padwa to all my North Indian friends. I hope I pronounced it correctly, Gudi Padwa. So it's kind of a new year, so auspicious time. And talking about auspicious time, as I said in the last video, the bikes here, the truck just reached the showroom a while back. They're waiting for the forklift to arrive so they can unload it. And I said I want to be there while unloading the bike and also maybe unbox it. I don't know how it was packed because it was coming from a Mumbai showroom. Hoping it's in the form of a box, but that would give us that unboxing experience. Otherwise, it's just unloading the bike from the truck to the showroom. The bike's here, but as I said before, the RTO work's pending. The showroom guys assured me they'll get it done by Thursday. Max I can wait for Friday or Saturday, but the gut feeling is it'll take next week from what I hear from other showroom guys. Once they upload the model in the RTO system, it takes at least 1 week to be reflected for TR and all. So it's not as fast as the showroom guys say, but the bike needed to be here for the model to be approved. So a lot of things, each variant has to be uploaded into the RTO system. That's only the case in Telangana, weirdly. A lot of premium bikes, they don't get TR here. Unfortunate system, but something that can change. Anyway, if it's done well and good, right, by the end of this week we'll have the bike and I'm eager to ride it, man. Super excited. Chalo, let's go. The Ducati showroom, as you can see in the background. The truck's here. Let's go unload the bike. Oh, there are 3 bikes here. Interesting. Made in Thailand. So this is also night shift.
बैटरी विंड बॉक्स स्टार्ट पहले
all matte black.
बीच के साथ में वाइट फिल के अंदर दे
Awesome, 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 awesome. Excited. now that's going for PDI and other formalities. So the work here, unboxing is done. I've asked for taking this cage in case in the future if we plan some rides, I can use this cage to pack it and send it across. This is a much better case than what we had here. Comes in one piece and also this one. So this is the Scrambler 800 night shift. It looks gorgeous. Look at these indicator lights. Love these. And this plate. Color bhi acha hai.
Different.
Spoke wheels. Unfortunately a tube tire hai. Look at how the wheel is packed. See? That was the unboxing, guys. Now that much more excited for the delivery. I actually like the Scrambler 800 night shift edition a lot. It looked beautiful, man, beautiful. Especially that stealthy grey color, those exhaust pipes and those indicator lights. You can get those similar Rizoma indicator lights for the 1100 too. Those are mods that you can do, but in person that bike looked epic and they're selling like hotcakes. They have two which they're already sold. There is one more that's coming which is already sold too. So night shifts are going like hotcakes. For 1100, the one that I'm getting is much more darker, much more meaner, and a few mods that I have planned. Once those mods are done, the bike will turn killer. I'm just waiting for those updates to be done slowly. Abhi kharcha ho gaya na, so slowly we'll shift, not immediately. But good to see they were selling bikes and the unboxing experience was amazing. Today is a festival day, yet they came, did the unboxing for all the three bikes. He was checking the status of his bike. I could only, in my excitement, I checked only briefly, but they're still trying to diagnose the issue and get it rectified, but it's been a month. I hope it gets done soon because he's also missing the bike. But yeah, super excited for the bike. So mostly by this weekend, we might have the bike. Fingers crossed. I can't wait to have that first start, feel of that first start. So they have sold that 1100 Pro, the yellow and white one too. They're selling quite a few bikes, man. Sorry I couldn't show much on this camera because it was so hot outside and you can only use these camera for a certain while before they overheat, and once after a certain point they stop recording. They won't let you do till they cool down, so I had to cool this camera down. But we have the iPhone, so some of the footage is on the iPhone and some on the Sony. Kind of excited because today is a very auspicious day to start something or move into new houses, or in that regard today is the festival day. So excited. I wish the delivery was also today, would have been perfect, but that's okay. 3-4 days here and there, we have waited for so long, right? So can't wait to take that bike out and ride in the night, man. Daytime to nahi, night time mein dummu lepadam. Oh, and also, as I said before, I'll take that cage. We never know when we can ship this bike in the future to, let's say, some Speedy Valley or something and just have fun there, because these are scramblers, man. They will be fun off-road too, and I don't need to worry about punctures. Talking about punctures, that night shift edition, the only thing that I didn't like, even though it looked aesthetically so beautiful, is the tubeless, the tube rims. Wish they had tubeless rims, which would have increased the price, but at least then they should have at least given alloys. That's a tough choice, man. You're coughing up almost 10.5 lakhs ex-showroom, same price as my 1100, but that's one thing that I didn't like about it. Anyway, almost home. Let me, and I'm hungry too. It's almost 1 p.m. So we'll have some food and catch you guys later in the evening. After coming home, chilled, did nothing much but searched for a few accessories already for the Scrambler 1100. So trying to already plan out the mods and all. Few things like the indicator lights, the mirrors, and a bash plate, engine protectors. These are the basic things that I was looking for, but still getting too excited already. We still need to wait and hope the TR comes. So let's hope. I hope all your wishes come true and I might have this bike by the end of this week. So looking forward to it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Please mind any problems with editing and all. There's a 4-year-old camera. I'm trying to squeeze as much as I can. Let's see how far it can take me, but there is a plan of changing the camera too, but it's just too expensive. So in two minds, it's not the tool, it's the one who operates it. So any camera, even I'm shooting now on an iPhone because that's down on the battery, and look at how good this footage is. It's grainy, but for an iPhone, amazing, because it's quite dark here. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and see you guys probably on the delivery video. Okay, chalo, bye bye, good night.